Hello, this is Savage, and before we get into this video, I'd just like to say welcome to my channel. On this channel, I'm going to be posting crap. Cringy, clickbait, poorly edited crap. So, welcome. Alright, so for our first video, we're gonna be pranking our cat. Oh, my cat. But we are gonna go up to him and we're going to tell him the truth. We're going to tell him that he's adopted, and let's see how he reacts. Alright, so Jasper, he's right over here washing himself, and I'm ready. Hey Jasper! Hey, Jasper! Can I talk to you? Yeah. So, we've had you for a while, and I think it's time for me to tell you something. You're adopted. Update on the prank. After I told him that he was adopted, he got pretty sad and he ran off. Right now he's in my bedroom and I'm gonna go in and try to comfort him, just tell him that it was just a prank, okay? Jasper, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that to you, Jasper. It was just a prank. I'm really sorry, okay? I'm really sorry, Jasper. I think he's angry. Okay, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like or subscribe. And I worked really hard on this, so I would appreciate everybody's support. Thank you, and Savage.